If you're someone that loves punny and fun collections, this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Keppel, and if you're a card maker like me, you probably enjoy card making a lot more than you do cleaning. But this new Spellbinders collection, Shiny New Day, creates the cutest little cleaning supplies and some really fun pun sentiments. So first, let's look at the items that come in the Shiny New Day collection. While we take a look at the Suds and Buds 3D embossing folder, I wanted to let you know that this is not a brand new collection. I know that. It is one that came out and sold out very quickly before I was able to make a video of it. And I figured if I missed it, then maybe some of you missed it as well. And it's such a cool collection. I just love it. It's adorable. So let's take a look at some of these items. They're all back in stock now at Spellbinders. This is the Shiny New Day Sentiment set. There's also Petal Fresh dies and the Squeaky Clean dies. Now let's use those supplies to make some cards. While I was jabbering about this collection, I wanted to just let you know that that 3D embossing folder is cut into two halves. One is kind of a floral petal fun background, and one is this bubble background, which is the Suds part, and then the other part is the Buds part. So you can do two at once. You can have two A2 panels embossed at once. Here I did one of Seaside cardstock, and then I cut it down to 4x5 1/4. Now these are the Squeaky Clean dies. They're so fun to put together. Like, again, I would not want to be scrubbing with a bucket and gloves on and sponges and whatnot, but putting them together is just, it's really, really fun because I love dies that look like real things in real life and then play with the puns as far as the sentiments. So here we go. Let's put the bucket and the gloves on this bubble background. And I'll also add some things to the inside of the bucket. There's like a scrubber brush, and then there's also this sponge. There's a bunch of other items that come in that die set, and I will use some of them later. I did cut with just the regular circle dies, the everlasting circle dies, just a couple of circles to look like bubbles, and then cut some smaller ones to look like bubbles out of waterfall cardstock. And I stamped 3 of the sentiments from the Shiny New Day sentiment stamp set so that I could kind of add them to the card and have it look like bubbles rising out of the bucket. So just a fun way to add several sentiments to one card, first of all, and then to continue the theme of the squeaky clean and the bubbles is just a fun touch. For this next card, I started with a bunch of strips of fawn cardstock that I die cut with the Spellbinders Stripe Right dies, and I have a little bit of Hero Hues reactive ink in root beer, and I'm adding a little ink blending to the sides and to the top and the bottom of these strips. Then I'll place a little liquid adhesive on one strip. I won't start it from one side to the other. I leave a little space, and I'll show you why, and then I'll cut off the end. And then to just make sure that both of the ends have that a little bit of ink to them, I'll add a little bit more to the cut piece there. And then I'll fill that little piece in and flip it over and cut off the excess. And I'll continue to do this at random spots across the card. And I hope you can tell that it's supposed to be a wood floor. And that's because I'll be creating with the die set a supply that you use to dust and kind of sweep up on wood floors. So there's my completed floor. It's on an A2 background, and I have one of the sentiments that I'll stamp with black ink. This is a really cute one. You sweep me off my feet. So I've cut that panel down to 4x5 1/4 so that I can mat it on some white cardstock that is cut to an A2 size. And I'll use some Spellbinders tape runner to adhere them together. I'm really happy with how the floor came out. I don't know about you, but I just think that's so much fun. So here's that little planer that I was talking about. You can cut it out of a whole bunch of different colors and make it your own. And I just like this clean and simple card other than the floor being put together. It was super, super quick and simple and really still has just a fun look and sentiment. For this card, I'll go to the other part of the Shiny New Day, which is the petals or the buds. So I'm using the buds size instead of the Suds size of the 3D embossing folder, and that's that pattern with some of those florals. And then I die cut this time a circle with that irregular edge. I'll link to those dies as well in the YouTube description box below the video. It's a little bit larger than my sentiment, and that is because I've cut out a bunch of flowers from the Petal Fresh die set. I'll use some small Spellbinders foam squares and just pop them up. What I like to do if I'm going to create around a circle like this is I'll put one at the top, one at the bottom, and then one at, say, 9 o'clock and one at 3 o'clock, right? And then I'll just fill in a little bit in between those, but I don't want to completely cover up that fun edge of the circle. So I'll add a few bits of greenery here and there and some other little stems just to add a little bit coming off of that circle. It's just an easy way to keep yourself going in the perfect circle, because otherwise I would have things all over the place and it wouldn't be concentric at all. So really, again, a quick and easy card once you put all those flowers together. I definitely enjoyed creating the look of cleaning supplies more than I do using them, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. If you're a card-like, no, okay, wait. It was if you like punny and fun dice. Here's collection, Squeaky, Shiny New Day.